Alright, welcome to this tutorial wherein we'll be teaching you on how to use the WhatsApp bulk marketing software. So this is the interface that you have for the WhatsApp bulk marketing software. Now I'll close it very quickly and reopen it just to show you how to use the software again. So I've closed the application. This is my desktop. I'll go to the start menu and I have this software over here. If you have a Windows system, you'll also have the software on your desktop. So you just have to click on the icon which is WS Sender. So we click on that and you wait for the software to open up. And cool, here we have the software in front of us. Now this software, when you use it for the very first time, there are a couple of settings that you have to do. So the very first thing is you have to come here to this settings icon, and over here you have this Chrome exe path. Now if you're using it for the very first time, you will not have this. It will look blank like this. So now you have to enter the path. Now how will you do that? For that you have to minimize everything. Now you have to go to my computer or this PC. You have to go to Windows C. Then you have to go to program files. Then you have to go to Google. Over here you have to go to Chrome, then application, and yes, this is the path. You have to copy this exact path the way it is, and then you have to come to this section again and enter the exact same location. Now what is this? This is the path where Google Chrome is installed. Now Google Chrome is an application which this software will use sometime like this. So now you put this and you click on the save button. Now once that is done, you have to do two things. You have to also check for internal update. When you do that, it will check for the update internally and you will get this message pop up stating done. And you have to update the Chrome driver. Now this is just when you do it for the very first time, you have to do this once. Let the Google, so I clicked on update Chrome driver and it was updating, and now it's updated. Now you cancel this, and one more thing you have to do is you have to go to Chrome, open Google Chrome browser, and open this section, the settings option, then click on help, then about Google Chrome, and over here it will say the version. If you have any a new update for Google Chrome, it will get updated over here. So make sure if your Google Chrome is not updated, come here and please update the Google Chrome application. Cool. Now till the time it gets updated, now I will get back to the application. Cool. Now the settings is done. You have entered the Google Chrome path, exe path. You have made sure you have checked the internal update. You have updated Chrome driver, and we are also updating the Google Chrome application over here. It'll get updated in the background. Now I'll get back to the application. Now over here, besides, you have this option which says accounts. Now over here you have to click, and this is the option wherein you can update or add your account. So like for example, my name is let's say Shahid. So I want to update. Sorry. So I have to update my account. So I'll click on add new account and I'll name it. So let's say my name is Shahid, and I clicked on the add button. Now see, it says it is added successfully. So see, my name has been added successfully. Now when you do that, you have to make sure, see, if you notice is default, this option is there on this Shahid primary, that is my primary number. So I have right clicked on that and I've set this number as a primary account. Rest numbers are not my primary account, but this number is. So you have to make sure you have to at least keep one account as a primary account. That is done. Now let's get back to the number that we have added, the account that we have added. So Shahid we have added. We have to now link this with WhatsApp. So what we are trying to do now is we are trying to link our number with WhatsApp. So to do that, you have to click on the load button and the pop-up will appear. This is the pop-up for WhatsApp. So it will appear as so it will give you the barcode scanner. You have to then go to your WhatsApp on your phone. You have to click on linked device, and then you have to open the scanner. After opening the scanner, you simply need to scan this barcode from your mobile phone on WhatsApp. Once you do that, your WhatsApp will be linked over here in the browser. Now my chats will appear over here. And cool, over here you have the chats. Now just simply close this window, close this again. Alright, now everything is done. Now what I have to do is now I want to send the message to someone. Now to do that, what you have to do is you have this option over here. You have two options. One is download sample Excel. Then you have an option which says upload Excel. So when you click on download sample Excel, it will download a template, an Excel template, which is necessary if you want to send multiple messages. So I clicked on download. I selected desktop because I want to save it on the desktop, and I click the save button. Now it is saved. See this single sender template. I click on this, and it is a blank template which opens in an Excel sheet. Now you see it says mobile number and it says name. Now let's say for example I want to send it to a number 823. That's my number, and my name is Shahid. And whatever name you have, whatever numbers you have, you can add it over here on the Excel sheet, and you can send the messages to multiple people. Now just for example's sake, I've added my own number and my name over here, and I press the save button. Just notice one thing, I have not added the international code. Now I'm in India, so the international code would be +91. I've not added that. If I'm in America, if I'm in USA, my country code would be +1 and followed by the number. So currently I'm not doing that, I've just added my number. Yeah, saved it, and I'm closing the Excel. Going back to the application. Now this is where we had downloaded it. Now this is the option which says upload Excel. This is where you'll be uploading the Excel sheet. I clicked on upload. Now I'll select the Excel sheet in which my numbers are there, to which I want to send the WhatsApp messages. So this is the template. I double clicked on that, and now if you see over here my number appears, and over here my name appears. Now this is the place where you have to add the country code. Now country code is very important. If you do not add the country code, the message will not go through. So this is an Indian number, so I'll add Indian country code. So how do I do that? I will simply Control A. I'll select all by pressing Control A as in alpha. Then I'll press right click. I'll do right click, and I have this option which says add country code. I select that. I add my country code, which is I'm in India, so it is +91. If you are in USA, it would be +1, or any other country code that you are in. So for now it is +91, which is India's country code. I pressed OK, and now if you see the number has this +91, which is the international code. So it has number and name. Now let's see how to send the message. Now you have to type the message. So I want to have my name appear on the message. So what is the formula for that? So let's say my message is hi. So let's say I want to add the name after sending hi. So after sending hi, you have this formula which says this bracket, this round bracket which you open, you type name, and then you close this bracket. So just pay attention, this is the formula to get the name, because this is the name over here. So it says NAME name. I've added this NAME name with this bracket, inside this bracket twice. So what this will do is, after sending hi, over here my name will appear. So if the message is sending to this number, it will say hi Shahid. If the message is sending to a secondary number, for example, and let's say the name is Prince, so it will say hi Prince. And whatever name is there, in front of the number, the name will automatically populate in the message. So it will look more customized. So let's say this is Webmasters, and this is a test message. Thanks, Webmasters. Just a dummy message. Now over here I've added the number, I've added the message, and you don't have to do anything. If you have an attachment, if you have a file that you want to share, so let's say you have let's say an Excel sheet, or maybe a PDF, or an image, or a banner, or something, you want to send an attachment. So this is where you can select the attachment. Make sure the attachment is as small as possible, because if you send bigger attachment, which is like 10, 20, 50 MB, then it will put a lot of pressure on the application, and it might get stuck. So better keep the attachments pretty less in size. So done, I've added the message, I've added the attachment. Now simply I click on start campaign. Okay, before that you have this delay settings over here. You don't have to do anything. What this does is, it says wait 4 to 8 seconds before every message. So it will wait 4 to 8 seconds before sending the second message. Then again 4 to 8 seconds before sending third message. And then above this you have wait 10 to 20 seconds after every 10 message. So after 10 messages have been sent, this application will wait for 10 to 20 seconds, then send the 11th message, or 12th message, 13th, 13th message, and so on. So you don't have to do anything, it is set to default, so let it be as it is. And then you click on start campaign. You do that, now you'll see all the list of accounts that you have added. So for now I want to send it from my own number. So if I click on it is already selected, so you can select whichever number you want to send the message from. So this is there. Now else you don't have to change anything. Rest, you click on start, then this pop-up will appear. Over here you'll have to click on initiate. So see, 1, 2, 3. First is you click on initiate. Now what it will do is it will try to open my WhatsApp in this browser. Remember, I have already linked my WhatsApp over here, so it will simply try to open it. And once it is done, now it says initializing. Once it opens up, it will say initialized. Okay, so now I'm getting the scanner again. I'll simply go ahead and scan it once again from my phone. So I'm opening the camera on my WhatsApp on the phone. I'll go to WhatsApp, link a device, and now my camera is here and it's scanning. Cool, now I'll be logged in. See, now it says initialize in green color, and now my WhatsApp has appeared. Now I'll simply press the start button, and now it will say running. So now what will happen is that number which is there on the numbers list, it will open. So see my number, it has sent the attachment that I had attached, and now the message will go. See, hi Shahid. We had typed hi, open bracket, name, close bracket. So now it says hi Shahid, because the name was there as Shahid in the Excel sheet, and the message that we have shared. And see, the message has been seen as well. Now, after all the messages have been sent, it will appear, a report will appear on your browser, which will have the list of numbers and the list of, if the message has been sent successfully or it has failed. You can even download the report. We will not do that. We'll close it, and then we'll go back to the WhatsApp sender. And over here, you'll see the status as 100%. So that means the message has been sent successfully. And even if you see over here in the browser, you'll see the message has gone through. Cool. Let's close this. So this is how you will be able to send message to multiple people. So now it was just an example. So we had just added one number over here. You can add hundreds of number over here. Just a quick tip. If you have one number and if you are sharing it, if you are using it for WhatsApp marketing, we would recommend use a number which is at least 4 to 6 months old on WhatsApp, and once in a day, we would recommend only share 100 messages from one account in a day. So if you have one number, send only 100 messages today, then you can send again 100 messages tomorrow, then again 100 messages on the third day, and so on. If you have two numbers, you can send 200 messages. If you have three numbers, you can send 300 messages, and so on. So the more numbers you have, the more messages you can share. Do not share more than 100, because if that happens, then WhatsApp might detect this as a spam and your number might get blocked, and we definitely wouldn't want to be in that situation. So this is how you are able to add Excel sheet and send messages to the customer. Now this is one important thing of this application. Other bit is this option. You see this screwdriver option on the left hand side, top left hand side. When you click on this, you'll see a list of things that this application can do. And I'm not gonna go into each and everything, but there are two important bits that this application can do. One is Google Map Data Extractor, and the other one is Social Media Data Extractor. I'll tell you very quickly what this does. This tool, Google Map Data Extractor, as the name suggests, it is going to extract data from Google Maps in an Excel sheet for you. And this section, it says Social Media Data Extractor. What this will do is it will extract data from LinkedIn, it will extract data from Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram for you. So you want numbers, you want email IDs, you can get it from this tool. So you don't have to worry about running out of leads ever. So you can simply use this application to extract the data from Maps, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and you can use the same application to send them WhatsApp messages. So I'll show you how. With that being said, there is a quick setting for this. We'll go to this settings icon again, and now it says over here browser. So browser, there are two options over here. One is built-in browser and the other one is Chrome. Now I'll tell you which one to use when. So now if you're sending message on WhatsApp, if you're sending bulk messages, always use built-in browser. And if you're using this application to extract the data from Maps, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Telegram, then you have to use Chrome as the browser. So now since we are extracting the data, we'll use Chrome and save. When I have to, after extracting the data, if I have to send the message again, I'll come here and I'll change it to built-in browser. That's it. This is one thing that you have to remember. So for now, we'll keep it to Chrome, save it, and it says setting saved successfully. Close. Now let's see how to extract data from Google Maps. I clicked on that. Now it says two steps. One is I click on start. Now it will give me the option to search the keyword, what I have to find. So let's say I want to find photographers. So let's say I want to find photography company in New Jersey, or let's say I want to find photography company in Mumbai. So I'll click that add button. I type this and I hit the search button. Now what will happen is Google will open up and it will search this exact keyword which I've typed, photography company in New Jersey. Now it will give me all the list of photography companies in New Jersey. Now what? Now we'll get back to the application and you'll press this button which says start grabbing. When you press this, the automation bot will run and it will scrape all the data over here from Google Maps on this system and you can get it into an Excel sheet. Now if you see in the background, it is running. See the name, the number, the category of business, the address, and so on. Better real estate, photography. You have this number, you have JVT photography, you have their number, you have Lighthouse photography, you've got their number, and so on. Imagine how powerful this system can be because you can scrape unlimited data of any businesses that you want. Since we have searched photography, it'll give you photography businesses. If you want doctors, you'll get doctors data. If you want, let's say, lawyers, you'll get the data for the lawyers. If you want tax consultant, you'll get data for tax consultant. So name the business and you'll get the entire record for that particular location. So you can scrape the data of across the globe. And this is just Google Maps, yeah? Remember, this is just Google Maps. So let's just for now time being stop it. So over here, if you see, there are multiple pages. So it'll go to each and every page and get the data from those pages automatically. So for now, for time's sake, we'll stop it and we'll press the export button over here. Now what this will do is this will export the data in an Excel sheet. So now it's asking me to select the folder where I have to save it. So I select desktop. If I want to rename the file, I can, or I keep it as it is and click the save button. Now I'll close this, I'll go to my desktop and this was the file, Gmap data. I'll click on this. And if you see, I have the data over here extracted in an Excel sheet. I've got the name of the business, phone number, review count, I have the ratings, I have the category of the business, address, website email address, closing time, latitude, longitude, you have Instagram ID, you have Facebook ID, LinkedIn, Twitter, images folder, etc. So keep the one which you want, remove the ones which you don't want. And you can upload the same Excel sheet to this software and you can send them the messages. So this is Google Maps. We'll quickly close it. And the last part of the video, I'll show you how to extract social media data. Now for that, you'll come to this section, social media. So again, we are on the left hand side, this icon. If you want to send the message, you'll click on this. And this interface is what you use for sending the message. Now I want to remove this. Let's say I select all, I press the delete button on the keyboard and everything gets deleted. I select all by pressing Ctrl A for alpha, and I delete everything. And I can add the new Excel sheet, let's say, and I can type the new message. And I want to extract the data. I'll come to this section and I'll extract the data either from Google Maps or from social media data extractor. So let's see how to use social media data extractor. Click on start now. Now this is where it's asking you to search the keyword. So what is the keyword? What are you looking for? Whose data you want? So let's say I want data for lawyers. Now mobile number. So this is the country code. Which country you want to scrape the data from. So let's say we want the mobile number in +1 format in USA. If it is India, you'll type +91 and so on. So for that country, what country code it is, you have to type that. Location, same New Jersey for example. And this is main where you'll select the platform from which you want to scrape the data from. LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, Telegram. So let's say I want to scrape it from Instagram. And if you want an email as well, you can keep it as it is at gmail.com, at yahoo.com. So if we find the email, you'll get the email as well. and rest everything keep it as it is and hit the start button. Now see, it is searching and it is getting the data for me. More Instagram, I've got this email. Once for page 1 is done, it'll go to page 2, then page 3. If there is no data for that particular niche, then it will not appear. So now it says it is there on the last page and there is no data as such. Or maybe because I'm in India, I'm not getting any data. I'll try for Mumbai. For Mumbai, for India, the country code is +91. So let's try that. Are we getting anything? Okay, no, nothing. Maybe because I've selected number and email, so I'll remove the emails and let's say I just want the number. So I'll hit the start button and voila, yes, I've got the names of the lawyers and I've got the numbers of the lawyers. So if you just want the email, just type email. If you just want the numbers, just type number. So number for us works better because from numbers you can directly reach out to them on WhatsApp. So let's say I want now USA for New Jersey. I'll again retype it, New Jersey, Instagram, mobile number +1. I'll hit the start button. Continue. And great, see? Lawyer Marina Shepelsky. Immigration law. Navarro W. Gray. Lawyer Marina Shepelsky. Terika Jennings. You have... So you might also get the data repeated a couple of times. So whilst on an Excel sheet, you want to have you want to make sure that there are no multiple numbers. So if there are any duplicate numbers, you have to go to Excel sheet and remove those duplicate numbers. So it will search all the lawyers on page 1, then page 2, then page 3, and so on. So it has gone to now page 3, and I've got 17 data. Then we'll go to page 4, then page 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So X number, whatever number of data it has on LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, Telegram, then it will get me all of those data. So let's for now stop it and export this in an Excel sheet. So I press the export button, it will ask me where I have to save it. I'll select that and whatever I want to type. So let's say this is the lawyer's data. Jersey, phone numbers, and it is extracted from Instagram. I typed it so that I'll look at the file and I'll know which file, what data it has. Now, just for the sake of this, let's stop this. Now go to this go to this Excel lawyers data. I clicked on this, and now see, I've got the data of the lawyers. I've got their name, title, and I've got their mobile numbers and their email addresses as well. So this is how you are able to use this software to send WhatsApp messages, to extract data from Google Maps, from LinkedIn, from Instagram, and from Telegram and Facebook as well. And there are n number of other functionalities as well, like this. Get group member, grab WhatsApp group links from web page, WhatsApp Autobot responder, and so on. So you can use this. It is very simple. You use this interface and it will you'll get an idea. And yes, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.